Jupiter reigns supreme in our solar system, a colossal gas giant dwarfing all other planets. Its immense size is difficult to comprehend. Over 1,300 Earths could fit inside its vast sphere. This behemoth, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, lacks a solid surface like Earth. Instead, Jupiter is a swirling ball of gas and liquid, a testament to the dynamic forces at play within its atmosphere. Jupiter's sheer scale is only one aspect of its majesty. The planet boasts a mesmerizing tapestry of colors and features in its turbulent atmosphere, driven by powerful storms and jet streams. These atmospheric characteristics, along with its intriguing composition and numerous moons, make Jupiter a subject of endless fascination for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Its exploration has provided valuable insights into the formation and evolution of gas giants, enriching our understanding of planetary systems beyond our own. Jupiter's atmosphere is a spectacle of swirling clouds, vivid colors, and intricate patterns. These patterns, known as zones and belts, are created by powerful jet streams flowing in opposite directions. The lighter-colored zones, high-altitude regions of rising ammonia ice, stand in stark contrast to the darker belts. These belts, at lower altitudes, contain a mixture of compounds like ammonium hydrosulfide and sulfur, giving them their reddish-brown hues. This intricate dance of zones and belts is driven by Jupiter's rapid rotation, which takes just under 10 hours to complete. This rapid spin generates powerful winds that can reach speeds of up to 384 miles per hour. These winds, coupled with the planet's internal heat, create the turbulent and ever-changing patterns we observe in Jupiter's atmosphere. The constant interplay of these forces makes Jupiter's atmosphere one of the most dynamic and intriguing in our solar system.